and today's video is going to be noisy, and today's video is going to be my Miniso haul, and these are the items. If you are interested to know what I bought, please keep on watching, and if you're someone new and looking at this face for the first time, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit that bell icon. And one more thing, don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. I'm very much active on Instagram. My handles will be linked down below in the description box, so don't forget to follow me there. So without any further delay, let's straight away get into the video. So let's start with the smaller packaging. So what I have in this is nothing but I have automatic toothpaste dispenser. This is how the box looks like. Something like this. This is the back portion where you can hang it or wall mount it, and this is where you keep your brushes and stuff. So this is how it looks like. Also comes with all the stuffs you require to hang it, so that's great. I think this one retails for rupees 230. So, and it's plastic. Looks like a good quality plastic. Hope it comes for a long time. Next set of stuffs I have in this huge box. This is actually a storage box. This is also one of the product I need to show you. So let me start with the storage box itself. Wait. So this storage box comes with a lid, and this is what 11-liter medium size storage box, and it retails for rupees 350. It is very great quality plastic. So the first item in the box is nothing but toothbrushes. This is a set of 5 brushes, and this looks like a good quality brush. It retails for rupees 190. Not sure about how hard or soft the bristles are. Next product I have over here is men's socks. This I bought it for my dad. It comes with 3 sets of socks pairs, and this has only 2 because one is already in use. These are ankle length socks, and these are the designs, nothing but basic stripes. So this one is red with blue stripes, this is blue with white stripes, the other one which is in use is white with blue stripes. This retails for rupees 350 for 3 pairs. The next item I have over here is again a basic item, which is nothing but cotton pads. These are makeup cotton pads, natural makeup cotton pads. You have 800 pieces of cotton pads in this, and this retails for just 190 rupees for 800 pieces. I'm not sure how the cotton pads are. I did not open this yet. So the next item is nothing but buds. So these are cotton swabs or cotton earbuds. This is in the color lavender. It's nice to look at. This retails for rupees 200, and you have around I think 300 pieces of buds. Focus. So this is how it looks like. It has this kind of shape over here and normal shape over here. This is somewhat differently shaped, and other end is normal swab shape. The next few items I have is smaller items, to be frank. So first let me show you the nail items. So I bought 3 nail polish from them. I really love nail polishes from Miniso. So the first shade I bought is this beautiful purple shade. As you can see, it's very nice shade actually. So this retails for rupees 90. The next shade I have over here is something like this. It's called Coral, and this also retails for rupees 90. So these are of normal finishes. We also had matte finishes, but I generally prefer normal nail polish which has some glossy finish to it. So that is why I bought the normal one. I'm not an addict for nail polish, but when I look at bright colors I tend to buy them. And the last nail polish I have here is some forest green kind of nail polish which is glittery. Focus. So this is the third one. It's beautiful forest green shade with glitters. This is called as Kelly. This also retails for rupees 90. Next I bought a nail polish remover, which is again a basic thing. This is how the nail polish remover looks like, and this retails for rupees 85. Yeah, 85 rupees. You have 30 ml of product in this. I bought couple of perfumes. So Miniso is also well known for the perfumes it has, which is very much budget friendly, but not all perfumes from Miniso are great smelling, and some perfumes are so damn powerful that it gives me a headache, and also it gives me nauseating feeling, which is weird, I know, but some smell doesn't go well with me. So yeah, I did not open any of this, so I'm just gonna open and try to describe the smell to you. So this is the first one. So this is called Wild Warrior. So this is actually how it looks like. Now let me open it. So this is how the bottle looks like. Around 50 ml of product. Let me smell it. I'm just gonna... Oh. Wow, this has beautiful smell. It doesn't give me headache. First of all, it doesn't give me headache. It doesn't attack you like that, and it's mild smelling but still smells beautifully. More towards a muskier smell, and generally if you are into men's perfume, you will know. So it's nice smelling. So this retails for rupees 460, I think. Try this particular spray if you are someone sensitive to, you know, those smell. So this is Wild Warrior, nice smelling perfume. The next perfume I have over here is called Ginger White. So this is the next perfume I have. To open this. This is 50 ml of product. Let me see the bottle. Okay, this is how it looks like. Beautiful white packaging, basic packaging. Let's smell this. Oh, okay, this smells more towards floral side. Again, not that punch to your face or punch to your nose kind of smell. It smells very mild smelling, but it is fresh smelling, to be frank. More than mild, it is fresh smelling, and it smells like jasmine and some other flowers mixed. So I know I'm very bad at describing fragrances, but it's more feminine kind of smell, to be frank. So this also retails for rupees 460 and you get 50 ml. I think I already told you the price. Next one I bought is called Miss Charm. Let me open this. This is how the packaging looks like. Beautiful blue packaging. This is called as Miss Charm. And let's open and show you the bottle, how it looks like. Okay. It looks very cute, to be frank. So this is how it looks like. Beautiful. As you can see, it's a beautiful packaging. Nice and luxurious looking. Let's try to use this. Okay, I need to do it in this, I think. Wow, smells very nice. Again, not the strongest smell, but best smelling. Like, it smells like ocean, to be frank. That is why it's blue in color, I think. This is called as Dreamland. This is Miss Charm. Dreamland is the scent name. So yeah, it smells like ocean and it smells so damn fresh. You must try fragrance if you're more into ocean kind of smell. So the last item I have from Miniso is their Velvet Matte Liquid Lipsticks from Miniso. That's that. So I have 3 shades over here and I'm going to do a separate video on this, so I'm not going to swatch these right now. So this is Miniso's Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. Each retails for ₹300. I have the shade wait, let me show you the shade. I have the shade Sandstone Pink Petal Cherry Cherry. The name suggests, sandstone is a kind of brownie nude shade. For deeper skin tone, it's gonna be a beautiful nude shade, an earthy toned shade, as you can see. So this is Sandstone. Next one is Pink Petal. Let me open it from this side. So this is called Pink Petal, beautiful pink shade. As you can see, it's a bright pink shade. Next is a beautiful red shade, to be frank. This is Cherry Cherry. I swatched all these 3 shades before buying. I had testers, so I swatched. It had few more shades, but I thought I had all those shades with me before. So this is a 3rd shade, which is nothing but beautiful bright red shade called Cherry Cherry. 3 shades. I'm gonna review this soon, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, stay subscribed. So that's all for today's videos, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Sorry for the noise. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button and also don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel till now. See you on my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.